Hello students, good morning. I am going to continue with the same topic, that is relation and function. Today's topic is relation. Firstly, the definition of relation. The definition of relation, let there be two non-empty set A and B, then any subset of A cross B is called a relation from A to B. Let there are two non-empty set A and B, then any subset of A cross B is called relation from A to B. Relation from A to B. In this topic, there are 2-3 points. Number one, domain, range, and codomain. Domain, range, and codomain. There are 3 points. Suppose the function is any relation, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Image of 1, 2, and the pre-image of 2, 1. Image of 3, 4, and the pre-image of 4 is 3. Image of 5, 6, and the pre-image of 6, 5. Yeah. Therefore, you can say the function from A to B, function from mapping A to B, and this is called domain, and this whole set is called codomain. This is called domain, and this whole set is called codomain. Suppose here 7 element, so 2, 4, 6, 7, codomain, and the range 2, 4, 6. The domain of that relation is 1, 3, 5, and the range, that is 2, 4, 6, and the codomain, the whole set B, that is 2, 4, 6, 7. You can say range is a subset of codomain. Range is the subset of codomain, correct? Clear? So this is the concept of range. This is the concept of range. Again, the definition of relation, take any two non-empty set A and B, any subset of A cross B is the subset of R, then you can say R is the relation, correct? And the set of all first element in the ordered pair from the set A to set B is called domain. And range mean the set of all second element ordered pair in the relation R from set A to set B is called range, and into that range is the subset of codomain. Again, this whole set is called domain. Domain means the value which we put in the function, and range means the result of that solution, and the codomain means whole set B. Whole set B is called codomain. Now we start exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Let question number 1, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 14. Relation are ordered pair xy such that ax minus y equal to 0, where x, y belongs to A. Write domain, codomain and range. Write domain, range and codomain. Okay. You know that with the help of arrow diagram, this is called arrow diagram. You can find function from A to A. If only single set is given, it means your relation is the subset of A cross B. A cross A. Your relation is the subset of A cross A. Yes. Put here x is equal to 1. When you put x is equal to 1 here, when x is equal to put 1 here, the value of y is 3. When you put x is equal to 2 here, 2 3 is 6. 6. When you put here 3, the answer is 3 3 is 9. When you put here 4, the answer is 12. When you put here 5, 5 3 is 15. The y is equal to 15. But the element 15 not lies in the set A. Element 15 not lies in this element set A. So therefore we can't take the value x is equal to 5. Click. When you put x is equal to 5 here, the 5 3 is 15, the y is equal to 15. But the element 15 not lies in the set A. Because you know that R is the subset of A cross A. A having 14 element, then A cross A having 14 element, 14 into 14, 196. And the total number of relation, that is 2 to the power 196. 2 to the power 196. And this is one of them. So with the help of this, you can tell me domain. So the first element is called domain 1, 2, 3, 4. And the range, that is 3, 6, 9, 12. This is range. And codomain, that is whole set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 14. Right. Here remaining all the 14 element present in this set. So 1, 2, then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Here also all the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 1. Second question. Define the relation R on the set N of natural number. Set of natural number. The relation R, that is equal to x comma y, such that y is equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number. X is a natural number less than 4, and x, y belongs to natural number. Write in roster form and domain and range. Write in roster form. This is set builder form. This is called set builder form. Write in the roster form. After that, find domain and range. The value of x less than 4, it means x 1, 2, 3. The value of possible value of x. Possible value of x 1, 2, 3. When you put here, when you put 1 here, 1 plus 5, 6, 1, 6. When you put here 2 plus 5, 7. When you put 3 plus, comma 8. This is the roster form of this question. With the help of this you can find domain. Domain means the first element of the relation. First element. 1, 2, 3 domain, and range, that is 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8 range. This is the solution of this question. Yeah. Next question. Question number 3rd. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5 and B is equal to 4, 6, 9. The relation are ordered pair xy such that the difference between x and y is odd. The difference between x and y is odd. X belongs to A and y belongs to B. Write R in the roster form. Write R in the roster form. Simple question. Difference between x and y is odd. 1, 4, 1, 4. Their difference is odd. 4 minus 1, 3, and 3 is odd. Similarly with 1, 6, 1, 6, their difference is also odd. 1, 9, 1, 9, difference is not odd, difference is even. So reject this element. With now with the 2, 2, 4, 2, 4 is even. 2, 6, 2, 6 is even. 2, 9. Now with 3, 3, 4, difference odd. 3, 6, difference odd. 3, 9, 3, 9, 3, 9, difference 6, 6 is even. Now with 5, 5, 4 and 5, 6 and 5, 9, not possible. 5, 9. The difference is 4 and 4 is not odd, 4 is even number. So this is the answer of this question. Next we solve question number 4. Write in the set builder form. Write in the set builder form. This is set P and this is set Q. Element 5, 6, 7. Here element 3, 4, 5. Write R in the set builder form. You know that ordered pair xy such that x minus y is equal to 2. Their difference is 2 or not? 5 minus 3, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, and this minus this 2. It means x minus y is equal to 2. X means this value and y means this value. Or you can say x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. Okay? This is the relation in the set builder form. After that, roster form. Roster form simply you can write 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. This is called roster form. And domain, you know, domain simple first element, that is 5, 6, 7 domain, and range. Second element is called range, that is 3, 4, 5. Clear? This is the question number 4. Now question number 6. Question number 6, are ordered pair x comma x plus 5 such that x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you put here 0, the ordered pair is 0, 5. When you put here 1, so 1 comma 6. When you put here 2, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 9, and 5 comma 10. This is the roster form of this question. With the help of this roster form, can you find domain? Domain means first element. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And range? Range means second element. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is called the range. Okay? Question number 7. Question number 7. The relation are ordered pair x comma x cube such that x is prime number less than 10. X is prime number less than 10. Write the ordered pair in the set-built form. Now can you tell me the prime number less than 10? Prime number less than 10, it means the possible value of x, that is 2, 5, 3 and 7. These are the prime number less than 10. When you put here 2 and 2 cube 8, first order pair second. When you put 3 cube 27. When you put 5 cube 125. When you put 7 cube 343. This is the roster form of these questions. Question number 8. Question number 8. In this question 8, A is given x, y, z, and the set B is given 1, 2. Can you find the number of relation from set A to set B? Find the number of relation from set A to set B. Firstly, tell me the number of element in A cross B. That is 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. Therefore, total number of relation formula 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6. And 2 to the power 6, 64. Clear? This is the solution of question number 8. And in question number 6 and 9, orally can solve. Relation given A belongs to Z and B belongs to Z, and then the difference also belongs to Z. Question number 9, orally can solve. A belongs to Z and B belongs to Z, and A minus B also belongs to Z. It means the domain of this relation is Z integer, and the range of range of this relation is also integer, because you know that difference of two integer is also integer, correct? Thank you. Your homework complete exercise 2.2.